How to solve math square? Easy. Numbers around the grid are sums of rows and columns. This will help us find the numbers inside the grid. Let's start with the center row in which only one number is missing. As you can see, 5 and 3, that are already in the grid, give sum 8, so we are missing 7 to have sum 15. After we have entered 7, we have filled center row. Now we need to find column, which will be the easiest to fill. Third column, which has sum of 10 and 3 already filled, looks like the best candidate. 10 minus 3 is 7, and because we already have 5 and 3 in the grid, we can only get 7 as the sum of 6 and 1. Because in the first row we have sum of 7, we can conclude that 6 can't be there, so we place 1 in the first row and 6 in third row. Now in the first row we need to fill two numbers which sum is 6, that can only be 4 and 2. Now when we look at the second column, we see we need to get 20. We can get 20 with 7, 2 and a number smaller than 10, so we can conclude that 4 is in second column and 2 is in first column. That fills the first row, and now we are only left with last row. Last row is easy business. We need to just deduct numbers in columns from the sum of the columns and get last two numbers. Now when we fill 8 and 9, we can make a final check that we have all the numbers from 1 to 9 in the grid. And lastly, we check once again if the sum of numbers in rows and columns is equal to our helpers' sums on the grid borders. And that is it for our simple math square. Hope to see you again in our puzzle world. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content.